Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of golf accessories to bring you the top 5 best products that you absolutely need in your golf bag for the ultimate experience. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these accessories will take your game to the next level. As always, you can find links to all the products in the description below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Driver Darts by Piss Missile, premium bamboo golf tees that are as functional as they are fun. These tees stand out with your iconic packaging that mimics a pack of cigarettes, giving off retro vibes while being completely harmless. Inside, you'll find 18 durable bamboo tees at a length of 3.25 inches, perfect for maximizing ball height and launch distance. The design is both eye-catching and practical, with the PMG logo on the tee head and detailed markings along the shaft to help you set the perfect ball height every time. Bamboo is the star material here. It's eco-friendly, durable, and has just the right amount of flexibility to avoid snapping under pressure. Plus, it's gentler on the golf course compared to plastic or hardwood alternatives. While the packaging makes it an excellent gift option, the Driver Darts are more than just a novelty. They perform well on the course, but some golfers might find the price point high for only 18 tees. These are perfect for players who want to inject a bit of personality into their game while maintaining performance. Pros: durable bamboo construction, unique packaging, and visual height markers. Cons: limited quantity in the pack and a premium price point. Coming in at number 4 is the Gemzio Golf Club Range Chart Card. This little gem might look simple, but it packs a punch when it comes to convenience and practicality. Designed to be the size of a standard credit card, it easily fits in your wallet or clips onto your golf bag with the included clip. It's a great tool for beginners, learning their club distances, or seasoned players who want a quick reference on the course. Constructed from sturdy, premium plastic, this card is built to last. It's resistant to tearing and weather damage, so you won't have to worry about it wearing out over time. The clear, concise layout makes it easy to glance at your club ranges and adjust your strategy accordingly. Whether you're dialing in your swing or double-checking your yardage, this card is a reliable companion. While the Gemzio Range Card shines in durability and ease of use, its simplicity might not appeal to tech-savvy golfers who prefer GPS apps or rangefinders. However, for its affordability and accessibility, it's a fantastic addition to your golf bag. Pros: lightweight, durable, and beginner-friendly. Cons: limited features compared to digital alternatives. At number 3, we have the Jiskin Pro Golf Club Brush Cleaner with a built-in squeeze water bottle. This innovative tool is a game-changer for golfers who want to keep their clubs in pristine condition during play. The brush features a larger, upgraded head for deeper cleaning, while the 4-ounce squeeze water bottle ensures you have a portable cleaning solution right at your fingertips. The design is practical and portable, with a high-quality retainer clip that attaches easily to your bag, cart, or even your belt loop. The combination of wet and dry brushing allows you to clean grooves and club faces thoroughly, improving performance and consistency. Dirt and grass in your grooves can affect ball spin, so this brush is a must-have for maintaining your equipment. Although it performs well, some users noted that the water bottle might require frequent refilling during extended rounds. Nevertheless, the Jiskin brush is an excellent balance of functionality and convenience. Pros: dual wet-dry cleaning, compact design, and durable materials. Cons: limited water capacity. Our runner-up at number 2 is the A2C Alloy Magnetic Golf Cart Phone Holder. If you're someone who relies on your phone for GPS tracking, scoring, or even just taking photos, this is the accessory for you. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy, this phone holder is as durable as it is sleek, with carbon fiber accents and an orange trim that scream sophistication. What sets this phone holder apart is its strong magnetic attachment, which is compatible with MagSafe iPhones 12 through 16 series. It's cradle-free, so your phone's camera and buttons remain unobstructed, and the one-hand operation makes it incredibly easy to use. No installation is required. Just snap it onto your golf cart, and you're good to go. While its premium build and functionality are impressive, It's worth noting that this holder is optimized for MagSafe devices. If you don't have a compatible phone or case, you'll need to use the included metal ring. Still, it's a top-notch accessory for golfers who want convenience and style. Pros: durable design, strong magnetic attachment, and sleek aesthetics. Cons: limited compatibility with non-MagSafe devices. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the HandyPicks microfiber golf towel. This isn't just a towel, it's your ultimate companion on the course. With its compact 16 by 16 size, it fits easily in your pocket, but packs a punch with its super absorbent microfiber material. The waffle pattern design ensures deep cleaning, making it perfect for wiping down your clubs, balls, and even sunglasses without leaving streaks. The built-in carabiner allows you to clip the towel to your bag, belt, or cart, so it's always within reach. Each towel also comes with a 10-inch hook and loop fastener for easy organization. And the best part, this pack includes 3 towels in different colors, so you'll always have a backup. With its lightweight, durable construction and fast-drying properties, the HandyPicks towel is a must-have for golfers of all skill levels. While some might prefer a larger towel, the compact size makes it incredibly versatile. Pros: absorbent microfiber, convenient carabiner, and multi-pack value. Cons: smaller size might not suit everyone. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews like this. Got questions about any of these products? Leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy golfing.